rin yung tawag na yung ating inside. Mga primary part of business. Yung mga pasok ko so, I'm very sure na i-share ko na knowledge ko.
Sige. Since nandito yung mga kapwa ang kasama ko sa Foot Locker, how has it been working for Foot Locker, being within that sneaker community?
Very happy since you're doing what you want. Since you love going to the since you since I'm very passionate about sneakers and about the sneakers. So, hindi siya mabigat for me since malagay na doon.
Saan ka naka-station for now? Saan branch?
Actually sa Glorieta, which is yung pioneer stores in Jersey.
Yan, sa Pioneer, ay sa Glorieta, sa Glorieta. Okay, so what's the most fulfilling part of your role as a striker?
Is to share and communicate with other people with the same desire and passion. So, since na-share yung mga knowledge ko sa na-share din yung mga gusto nila, mga kwento na din. So, tawag rin ng bonding kung nagkaroon ng mga bagay.
Kasi pag pumasok sila, alam mo yun, na sneakerhead eh. So right away, meron kayong conversation. Do you have any advice for all the new sneakerheads out there who, are thinking about it? Kasi syempre, hindi mo naman nakakalain na yung love mo for sneakers, yung palang magiging trabaho mo yung iba. Meron ka mga advice sa mga sneakerheads?
I think it's just to be yourself and you don't need to notice other people that you do. But very important is, something na okay yung you're not really good at it. Make it better.
Hindi mo naman kailangan ito kung minsan naman dito, bubilog talaga. Okay. At ikaw masisisi nila because ang raffle natin ikaw ang bubo. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong winners of 10,000 pesos worth of Foot Locker products of your choice of your choice. Pwede ka na doon na nabubuhan ng mga natin sa nasa second floor and you can claim your prize there. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Kailangan physically present. Pag tinawag, you only have 3 seconds. Magpagkas kayo ng kamay, basta get our attention. Tapos authorized the right side of the stage. Please bring your ID. Any kind of ID, maalam ma-verify it. Ito talaga yun. And then you will take home, of course, na 10,000 pesos shopping spree GC from Foot Locker. Okay? Guys, 3 seconds na. Or 8 seconds. Okay, brother. Sino ang una natin? Winner, mag-uwi ng 10,000 pesos worth of products.
So our winner is Fabio John Mark.
Fabio John Mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wala. Siyempre lahat, wala. Parang ginagawa natin kamay. Parang ginagawa natin yung kamay yun na. Sumusunod natin yung kamay yun. Alright.
The next one is Jill Kakati.
There he is. Alright, congratulations. Alright, yun. Isang tuloy po ang Foot Locker products. Okay, i-verify na natin sa right side of the stage. Congratulations.
Next is Julius Alcaraz.
Julius Alcaraz, already kita naman dito. Meron ang 3 seconds para makakita dito. Julius Alcaraz, okay, dito meron pa tayo last. One final winner of the 10,000 pesos shopping spree. So Foot Locker.
Dominic Jamisola.
Dominic! Malaw! May sino na wala eh. Pero wait lang. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next.
Manday Nieva.
Manday Nieva. Now, naba, nantay niya lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, bilis naman natin, timer natin. Okay, next.
Legend Joyce.
Regine Joyce. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ah, may nagala na. Alright. Buhay pa! Tumatagig. Ang 10,000 pesos topics free. 10,000 pesos worth of Foot Locker products.
Next is Russell J. Guazo.
Kapatid.